Central Norway. In Trondheim, a building is being constructed which will set a new global standard for office buildings. Lysgården is the first of its kind in the world. It knows who and where you are. Lysgården recalls your preferences. Lysgården acquires knowledge.
Let me show you how it works. When you visit, a notification will allow you access to the building and shows you where you're going. And the one you're to meet can see where you are. The meeting room is all set with correct lighting, temperature and air quality. Everything is facilitated to enable effective presentations. The new technology will also show you as an employee which workstations are vacant when you arrive at work. The workstation is aware that it's you who's coming and adapts to your wishes and needs. Localization technology is used to track down colleagues, and all necessary information is readily available to all employees at any given time. When night comes and the working day is over, energy consumption slips into sleep mode. Even the electrical sockets are turned off. MindSphere is a newly developed technology from Siemens that collects data from all of the building's sensors and appliances. MindSphere is also connected to external systems that detect everything from the weather and electricity prices to traffic conditions. Every day is a unique scenario, and MindSphere is accumulating knowledge from day to day. When a new day arrives, it will be adjusted according to that day's forecasts. Air and temperature are tuned according to how many people will be at work in the building. Soon you will even be able to talk to me, for it is I who is Lysgården.
Lysgården is not just any construction. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, Lysgården can experience, adapt, and communicate.
Like many things Italian, everything here is very stylish. This 60s building and the old Italian villa next door, which was once home to Mr. Fiat himself, were recently redeveloped and brought bang up to date. Well, even the cafeteria is suitably smart. As trendy as this place may be, its design is far from over. But going forward, the chief architects of this space will not be its creators, but its inhabitants. The idea behind this whole place is similar to any other big data project. Collect as much information as possible and make the whole thing more efficient. One theory on trial here is personalized heating. Instead of setting the heating for the whole building, workers here are able to set their own desired temperatures. So this system is actually quite clever. When there's a few of us sat in the same space, the system above us will take everyone's preferences and just average it out. And despite different personal heating settings, this setup is proving to be more efficient.
The very cool thing is that by understanding your exact position, the system will shut down if you are not there. We are still, let's say, simulating. We are still simulating numbers, but we are almost sure that the improvement, the ecological and energetic improvement of the building could be up to 25% in terms of consumption.
Beyond the personalized heating, the doors unlock and lights come on as you approach, and you can find your colleagues on a map. Researchers hope these features will entice more users to download the app and share their location data so they can really get an accurate picture of how the building is being used, identify dead corners in spaces, and improve the overall design in the future.
Very often we speak about architecture as a third skin. The first one is our biological skin, the second one are our clothes, and the third one is actually the physical world, the physical space we inhabit. So far, this third skin has been very rigid, has been really like a corset. With this building, we make an attempt we make a step forward and we want to try to understand if this terrace skin could be something more flexible, more tailor-fit to our needs and to the needs of the occupants of the space.
This experiment is just the very beginning, and it's hard to think how rigid structures such as buildings can one day become more personalized and flexible. But I'm excited to think that we can all have a small say in what works.